For our hike of the week, we're at the Lake Russell Recreation Area near Cornelia, Georgia, Mount Airy. We're doing the loop trail around Lake Russell, followed by a Lady Slipper Trail if it doesn't start raining. So we start out with this 4.6 mile loop around the lake, and then we'll come back to this point and go over to the other trail. It's another great day for a hike. Temperature is about 42 degrees, cloudy, chance of rain a little later today. We have a stretch on the road for a short distance by the lake. Passing geese out in the lake. Nice picnic area here, beach area. Now we're coming down. The trail goes right by the Lake Russell Dam.
And last year we had about 6, but we've been
Nice little footbridge over the creek below the dam.
I don't know how.
Nice little beaver dam here.
Look at this.
These beavers are amazing.
Wow.
Walking up the creek below Nancytown Dam. This is Nancytown Lake Dam. Pretty little spot.